The long-awaited printed 3D house of Arup and CLS Architetti has been revealed in Milan during the Salone del Mobile Design Fair. Although it is still only a prototype, the project looks like the most complete and livable 3D house, with a larger and more complex design than other examples such as the New Story and Icon Proof of Concept. The house, called 3D Housing 05, was conceived to demonstrate the effectiveness of 3D printing technology and built in a similar way to other architectural projects printed in 3D. A cement mix was extruded from a layered nozzle to build the walls of the house, before the humans completed the doors, windows and other finishing touches. A notable difference compared to the previous 3D printed projects we have seen is that 3D Housing 05 uses a robotic manipulator mounted on a mobile base, instead of a typical static printer, which offers greater flexibility. The house comprises a total of 100 square meters, 1,076 square feet, of surface, divided into a living room with a table and chairs, a bedroom with double bed, kitchen area that includes a small kitchen and a small dining room, and a particularly luxurious overlooking the bathroom with bath, toilet, sink and seats. The interior furniture and accessories have a high-end design and include brass window frames and even a chandelier. The house printed in 3D also has a roof with terrace that is accessed by exterior steps, while a little vegetation softens its appearance, which would otherwise be rough. The 3D Housing 05 project will be dismantled and relocated once the Salone del Mobile comes to an end. Arup remains interested in the exploration of 3D printing technology and participates in other similar projects,